guys, it's me, Paige Paxton with Blake Fulenwider Dodge in Eastland, Texas. I'm going to show you how you scroll through your settings. This is how you do it. Right now, this unit is set to show miles per hour. You click the OK button right here and go back and look at your screen. Say OK, and then it brings up speedometer, arrow down, goes to vehicle information and shows your tire pressure. Then your performance, driver assist, fuel economy, trip information, audio, and messages. And then back to screen setup, say OK. You can put it in the center, say OK. Time, outside temperature, compass, okay. Setting is saved. And you watch it for a minute, and then to click out of that, just arrow up. You're at screen setup, and say okay. And your setting is saved. Thank you. If you have any questions, give me a call, 325-320-4690. Thank you. Bye-bye.